Just cleaning up this Camino for the car show tomorrow in Drummond. Got a brand new bumper here. It's kind of a pain in the ass putting it on, but of course the spray and bed liner, brand new. Haven't cleaned the wheels yet, but they're pretty clean. Just washed it. The only problem is this front bumper, is, well, 40 years old, 42. Doesn't help whenever you're in high school, going down dirt roads, crashing into blow-up dolls. So after that, it still looks pretty good. Little scuffs here and there, but I mean, yeah, 1980, not bad. Probably just shopping carts, and like there's one right there. The rest, brand new paint job. Just getting the engine worked on right now. Still runs great, 350. I'm shining up the wheels for the car show tomorrow. And hopefully we're going to be not coming in second, because we're going to be coming in first. Just kidding.